Just finished your second PUC and thinking, what now? Not sure if NEET is the only option or if MBBS is even your thing? Then listen up, because today I'm talking about one of the smartest, fastest growing healthcare careers out there, DMLT, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology. Now, first of all, what is DMLT? Well, it's a course that trains you to work as a lab technician. That means testing blood, urine, stool, tissues, you name it. Behind every doctor's diagnosis, there is a lab report. And behind that report, that's you. You're the one running the tests, analyzing samples, giving accurate reports that help doctors save lives. And you know the best part? The DMLT course is 2 years long, and you can join right after your second PUC. No NEET, no KSET, only PUC. The things you learn here, well, let's talk about that. Human anatomy and physiology, biochemistry and pathology, blood banking, microbiology, and hands-on training in our lab. It's not just theory. You actually work with real samples, real machines, and in real hospitals. So where can you do it? Right here in Karnataka, in Bangalore. There are a great ton of options to choose from government to private institutions like GD Goenka Healthcare Academy, Sarjapur Road, Bangalore, which is the best paramedical institute in the entire city. And yes, we offer full DMLT training, certified, practical, with job assistance. The fees will range from about 50,000 rupees to 55,000 rupees. And it is totally affordable compared to MBBS or even BSc nursing, which is in 3 and 4 lakhs. Do you know what you can do after your DMLT? Well, you can work in a lab as a lab technician, or in a hospital, diagnostic lab, or even a pathology center, or in a blood bank, fertility clinic, even a research lab. The starting salary is 12,000 to 25,000 rupees per month. And with experience, you can also go from 40,000 onwards. You can also upgrade. After DMLT, you can go for BMLT, which is Bachelor of Medical Lab Technology, or specialize even further as you wish. So if you're thinking, I don't want to waste years preparing for competitive exam, NEET, KSET is not my type, this is your fast track. DMLT gives real skills, real income, and real respect. And if you want guidance, we here at GD Goenka Healthcare Academy are here to help you. Come to our center or give us a call on the number below. Drop a comment, send us a message, visit our campus. You and I, let's have a conversation. Because your future doesn't have to wait. Call us now and we'll see you soon.